Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about class 6 science in NCERT book. Lesson 2 components of food. Revision 4 part 2. Today we are going to discuss about only two topics. What are the two topics means? First one obesity and deficiency disease. Okay, the first topic is obesity. What is mean by obesity? Obesity means which is nothing but obesity is due to excessive eating or eating of fat rich or sugar rich food over a long period of time. What happen? The excess food gets stored as fat, which leads to fattening of the body called obesity. Are you understand students? Obesity can lead to other health problems like heart disease, high cholesterol and increased blood pressure also. So we can avoid the obesity, means we take only balanced diet. Okay students, are you understand? Okay students, the next topic is deficiency disease. Okay, so many people are not able to eat a balanced diet, so they suffer from many deficiency disease. Am I correct student? Okay, what is mean by deficiency disease? A disease that occurs when a nutrient is missing or not present in the required amount in the body. This is called the deficiency disease. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about first deficiency disease, protein. Protein deficiency disease. In our body, proteins are missing means we affect by kwashiorkor. What is mean by kwashiorkor? Which is nothing but that is one of the deficiency disease. This disease affect by only 1 to 3 years child. Okay. What are the symptoms of kwashiorkor? First one, the child is thin and shows stunned physical and mental growth. The child does not seem to have much of muscles. Are you understand? Okay. Second one, the child shows a protruding stomach. What is meant by protruding? That is the big stomach. Are you understand? Okay. Third one, child suffers from diarrhea and water retention. Then fourth one, there is swelling of face and discoloration of hair. And another one, the legs are thin and called matchstick legs. And last one, skin looks pigmented, rough and patchy. Are you understand students? This is the symptoms of kwashiorkor. The kwashiorkor only affect by 1 to 3 years child. Are you understand? This is kwashiorkor. Okay students, next topic, protein and carbohydrate deficiency disease. In our body, protein and carbohydrates are missing means we affect by marasmus. What is mean by marasmus? Which is nothing but one of the deficiency disease. Okay, symptoms of marasmus. What are the symptoms of marasmus? The child shows a retarded physical and mental growth. Second point, child becomes very thin and gives a shriveled appearance. Third one, child is very weak and may not be able to move. Then skin becomes dry and wrinkled. Then child suffers from repeated diarrhea. This is the symptoms of marasmus. Are you understand students? Okay students, now we are going to discuss about deficiency of vitamins and minerals. See the table, vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A in our body, vitamin A means vitamin A less means we affect by loss of vision. What are the symptoms? See the table. Then vitamin B1 in our body less means we affect by beriberi. Then vitamin C less means in our body affect by scurvy. Vitamin D less means we affect by rickets. Then minerals, calcium in our body less means we affect by bone and teeth decay. Next, iodine less in our body means we affect by goiter. Then iron, it is a very very important minerals in our body. Iron less in our body means we affect by anemia. Are you understand? Then see the picture. Okay students, this picture is deficiency of scurvy. Scurvy is the disease caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Already I told the tabular column, no? What are the main symptoms means? The main symptoms of scurvy are swelling and bleeding of gums and wounds not healing properly. Next picture, we are going to discuss about rickets. See the second picture. This picture is called the rickets. What are the symptoms of rickets means? Rickets is a disease of the bones. In children, bones become soft and hence easily get bent and deformed, while in adult, bones become brittle and can get fractured easily. It is mainly caused by the deficiency of vitamin D and minerals calcium and phosphorus. Deficiency of these minerals affects bones and teeth. Are you understand students? Next deficiency disease is anemia. Anemia means in our body iron content is less in our body means we are affected by anemia. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron in the diet. Anemia is a disease in which a substance called hemoglobin found in red blood cells of our body becomes deficient or less. Person suffering from anemia looks pale and gets tiredness. Are you understand? So we eat iron content mostly. Are you understand students? This picture is goiter. In our body, iodine less in our body means we affect by goiter. Goiter means which is nothing but goiter occurs due to the lack of the mineral called iodine in the diet. Okay, a person suffering from goiter shows slow or retarded physical and mental growth. This disease is most common among people living in the hilly regions, as the iodine content of soil and water is low in these areas. Okay students, in this class what all we have discussed? Obesity and deficiency disease. So I will give some question answers. You have to copy the classwork. These are the questions you must write in the classwork. So the second lesson is over. You have to write all the questions in your classwork. Don't forget. And you have to write the home test also. If you have any doubt means you call and just ask me. Okay. You write all the questions. I will give some worksheet also. You have to write and practice it.